Imagine this piece of paper is your entire house, and these are your different rooms, right? Now, let's say what you want to do is, you want to provide internet connection to all these parts of your home. Now, it may look small here, but if you have a 400 square meter house, you're going to be talking about putting wires all over different walls, going out windows, going out kissimmee, the ceiling, and everything. So you wouldn't want that. What it does is, this converts, okay? Listen to me, guys. This converts your ordinary outlet at home to an internet outlet. When I say convert, I mean you can use it as an internet outlet, but you can still use it as your ordinary daily appliance plug, okay? Did you hear me correctly? It converts any outlet of your house into an internet hub. What that means is, you just plug this to the wall. You still need a short cable though to attach, and let me show you how it works. This is how long you need a cable, or you can actually get longer cables. It depends on how far your table is. But for sure, in your office area or where you're going to have your computer, you're going to have a plug, because you're going to need electricity on your PC anyway. So you plug this to the wall, and then you plug this cable to the Powerline Ethernet bridge, and you plug this to your PC. That's it. Now, let me explain it more clearly. Okay. So again, this is your modem, this is your router. What you need to do is, for sure you're going to have a wall outlet here, because your ADSL modem is probably plugged there and your router is plugged there. Your router is then going to plug to one of these cables, okay, at the back of your router. If you can see that, it's going to plug to the back of your router, and you're going to plug this to the wall. So it's going to be plugged to the wall here. And this is acting as your master Powerline Ethernet bridge. When I say master, it's the one distributing all the data and all the internet connection through your wall. That's it. And on the other side of the house, or whichever part of the house you want to have internet connection, you're going to have your wall outlet, right? You're going to plug the Ethernet bridge there, and then you're going to plug it to your PC, your laptop, or whichever. That's it. Imagine, that's it. No cabling needed, no roughing ins needed, no breaking up the walls, no buying of cement, sealing up places, going up ceilings, crawling in very dark and dirty, stinky ceilings with all the cobwebs and everything. None of that, because all you need to do is plug this to any ordinary wall outlet, plug this to your PC, that's it. Your PC is now going to have internet connection. This is the perfect solution for all houses here in the Philippines. I tell you, through experience, I love this device. Now, moving forward, okay, so you need two of these to make it work, actually. You need one for the router to act as the master, and you can buy as many single ones, which you can just plug to how many rooms you have in the house which you want to have connections to. Again, you need a pair, and you can just add as many as you want. Talking about the specs, it gives you a throughput of 200 Mbps. That's 200 megabytes per second. Well, most LAN cards only have 100 megabytes, and they jump to about 1 gig already. This gives you about 200 megabytes per second. That's a lot of data transfer already. Just like the way Wi-Fi does it. For example, if you have 200 MB and then you need to add more, it's going to be split in. If you split it in two, it's going to be 100 each. Split it in three, etc., etc. It's just going to keep on splitting up to 64. But you don't actually need to get 64, because you can just unplug this and move it to the next room and plug it there, and you're going to have your internet connection. That's how simple it is. That's how simple it is, okay? Now, another product we have is the Wi-Fi access point. It's still by Fine Upgrades, and it's a Powerline Wi-Fi access point. What it does is, you see, for example, if I want to put Wi-Fi in this room, so maybe you can check this room out. If I want to put Wi-Fi in this room, I would want to put the access point in the ceiling. right? Because if I put the Wi-Fi access point on the floor, I'm not going to get any signal. The signal is going to be going down, right? So I want to put it in the ceiling so it's going to be spread around evenly. Or maybe, if not on the ceiling, maybe on eye level length. So it's going to get a broader spread on the signal. But the problem is I only have an outlet there, but I don't have a cable to go up to the ceiling again. So I'm going to, ordinarily, I would get this cable again, 100 meters minimum, crawl around, and just to put the cable on top. Now, with this Wi-Fi access point, it's actually a wireless G extender. If I want Wi-Fi, for example, in this room, and I want, for example, in this room, I just plug this to the wall, and that area becomes Wi-Fi ready right away. That's it. If I want Wi-Fi here, and then I want Wi-Fi here tomorrow, I'm just going to unplug this and plug it here. That's it. No configuration needed. Of course, you need your normal Wi-Fi or your router settings, which you normally do in any network. What I'm trying to say is these products are replacing your cabling. These products are replacing all the hassle that you need to do to get a network going in your home or small office. So again, it's plug and play. If you want Wi-Fi here today, Wi-Fi here tomorrow, Wi-Fi there, Wi-Fi there, Wi-Fi there, Wi-Fi everywhere, you just get this, plug it anywhere you want, and that place instantly becomes Wi-Fi. When I say plug it, I'm saying plug it on any wall outlet in that area. That's it. Tell me, whose house or whose office doesn't have a wall outlet? Let's pause for a break. A word from our sponsors. Tech Island is presented to you by Suzuki Cebu and www.fineupgrades.com. Global technology within reach.
Smart and sporty. Suzuki.
Will you be part of it? I know I'll be.
If you don't have a router yet, there's also an easier solution. Of course, we have the Powerline Ethernet bridge, Powerline 200M router. What that does is it eliminates the need for a master bridge. So if you don't have a router yet, you have your modem. You connect the modem to the router. Okay, it's got 4 ports at the back, and then you plug this to the wall, right? Once you do plug this to the wall, it's now distributing that to your internet connection. It's now distributing that to your electrical system, giving internet connection to all parts of the house. And then you still need the other end, though, the Powerline Ethernet bridge, to plug to the wall to get your data on that area. So these comes in pairs, and you can buy this as well and buy this individually. It's really up to you. Now back to the drawing to explain to you how it works. This is your house. How many houses have I drawn? I have lots of houses. So most likely, okay, this is your electrical post outside, okay, from your electric company. And then you have your transformer, and then it goes into your house. Electricity goes into your house through, this is your meter, right? Your meter, your electric meter. And then your electric meter is then connected to your internal circuit breaker, which distributes your electricity all over your house, right? So you now have your circuitry electrical system, and each one has an outlet, etc., etc. You have outlets all over the place. Now, your modem probably be here, and then you have your router, and you plug it to your outlet. How that happens is it's using your current electrical circuitry to distribute internet or share your data between PCs. Okay? Most